All right, my beautiful set of people, you're welcome back to another edifying tutorial. Like you all know that on a weekly basis, we come here and drop different videos. Okay, so what you want to do to join our community is just to smash that subscription bell, like the video, share it, and also comment okay. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is Zion Hub Logistics Limited. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can copy links. Okay, the same thing applicable to all different platforms. So I'm just going to be sharing with you from 3 different platforms today. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can share links from 𝐻𝐸𝐧𝐤, from Pinduoduo, and from Idlefish. These are 3 most popular sites from China. Okay, so a lot of people do ask me though, so what you do, let's assume I want to buy this plug in here. Let me click on this tripod. So maybe I want to buy it and I want to send the video to my procurement agent, or you just want to copy it and send it to someone, maybe in one way or the other, right? So, and you don't know how to do it. A lot of people do ask me, I don't just know. So this is where you will come to copy the link. Just click on where I'm presently pointing at, where we see this arrow. Click on it. After you click on it, you will see this option here. Okay, so if you want to copy it to WeChat, you can click on this WeChat. Do you understand? Or if you want to send it to as a mail, then you click on this message. But if you just only want to copy this link on its own, just click on that chain where I'm presently circling. Click on it. It has copied automatically. If I'm to come to my notepad now, new notepad here. So let me just type this, then scroll down. Let's say I want to copy this link and paste. This is the link that we just copied now. So if you want to copy another one, you just go back again. You go back again. Let me just find another link here. So let's say I want to buy this chain. You can, even without clicking on it, you can see this arrow. You can also click on it from here. Copy the same link again. Go to your WhatsApp or anywhere you want to paste the link to. You paste it again. It's very, very simple. You can see now I've copied 2 different links. Okay, so before going to Pinduoduo, guys, we discovered that a lot of people are watching our videos and they are not subscribing. I beg you guys to subscribe to our channel. If you are gaining 1 or 2 things, I beg you in God's name, please subscribe to our channel. It's free to subscribe. Nobody is charging you for these services. And if you want us to help you do procurement, if you want us to help you buy things, teach you how to do how to start gadget importation training from China, if you want us to mentor you, consult us on anything you don't understand, this is what we do, and we can definitely help you to do what? For these services, we can help you with these services. All right, so that having been said, let's head over to what? Let's head over to PDD so I can show you how you can copy links. So let me go to my Pinduoduo here. So this is my Pinduoduo account. Now with Pinduoduo, it's still the same process, but I think there are things you need to just take note. Now let me make use of this shoe. Let's assume I still want to copy this shoe here. I want to copy the link here. This is what you would do. You see where I'm presently pointing at. Click on it. Okay, once you click on it, this bar will pops up. You can see here it's still the same. To just drag this guy to this side, then you want to copy this link, something like chain. Click on it. You copy it. You know I've copied it now. So let me go to my notepad again and what? Paste this guy there. I want you to take note of something, please. Now you can see now this link it ends with what? G1. Please take note. Now let's assume I've copied that link. Let me look for another item now. I want to still copy another link. You can see this one is wristwatch now. Let me click on this logo here. This will also pops up. Then I copy the same link and I paste it here. Okay, so let me just paste it here. I paste it here. You can see now that is very easy and straightforward. So that is how to copy link from 𝐻𝐸𝐧𝐤 Pinduoduo. Okay, so if you needed a one-on-one session with us, you need someone to teach you live and direct online, like in video call, we're also available for these trainings. Okay, we can mentor you one-on-one directly. We show you, we share our screen with you. You can reach out to us with the number displaying on your screen. So the same thing applicable to Idlefish as well. So I also have my complete course on Idlefish on how you can do what? Start gadget importation training from US, UK, and China. So on this Idlefish, you can have access to buy used phone at cheaper rates and new phone for cheaper rates as well. So now let's say I want to buy this 11 Pro Max. I want to copy the link as well. So you just come here, this arrow here that I'm presently pointing at, click on it. So you see this chain, this is where you're going to be copying. So I'm just going to click on the chain again to copy the link. So automatically now the link has been copied. This is the link here. So I'm just going to go to my notepad again to paste what? To paste it in there. So if I'm to come here, paste, you can see here, that's the link. So it's very, very simple and straightforward, guys. That is how to copy links from this platform. I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Kindly give me a thumbs up, like the video, share it, and also comment if you've gained one or two things in watching today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.